request everyone to please stand up. So may I request Unkag to lead the way.
Amen.
Thank you. So
Thank you,
Good
sir.
morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
May I know if you have absent today?
Wala, sir!
Okay, so you have an assignment.
Wala po, sir!
Okay, so now before we proceed, we will have a short and fun activity. So I prepared here different pictures. So you're going to identify the names of the different Philippine folk dance. So first, what is this picture? Okay, Bungkag.
Binasawan, sir.
Okay, correct. Next. Sinita.
Paglalatik, sir.
Okay, very good. And the last one. Bueno. Okay, good. So, based on the pictures I showed you, do you have any idea what is the name of the different dances? Okay, okay. So, very good. So, but before we proceed to our topic, so let's read the objective. So, everyone, please read.
At the end of the lesson, students are expected to identify the different folk dances in the Philippines, gain knowledge on the origin of the different folk dances, follow and learn the basic steps of Philippine folk dance, and execute or perform the different folk dances.
Okay, thank you. So, I have another activity. So, I will show you a video and you must observe the movement. So, here's the video. Okay, next. Okay. So, does the dances familiar to you, the class?
No, sir.
So, okay, class. So, let's start our lesson for today. So, do you know any folk dance that came from the Philippines?
Titik-titik, sir.
Ikaw,
Lapay
Bungkag.
ng tigit, sir.
Bungkag.
Alibrito, sir.
Okay, so I have researched this kind of dance. So number one is binasuan. So it's a folk dance that originated in Bayambang, Pangasinan. So binasuan means with the use of drinking glass. Okay, so next is the Cariñosa. So originated in Panay Island in the Visayan Island. It was introduced by the Spaniards during their colonization of the Philippines. Okay, so do you have any questions about the Philippine folk dance?
Sir.
Okay, Bungkag, what you have learned about our discussion?
I learned about cultural
Okay, Rodriguez, how about you, Rodriguez?
Sir, I learned the different dances in the Philippines, like Cariñosa and Basuan.
Okay, so since we have done with our lesson, I am going to divide you into three groups. So group 1, group 2, group 3. So you are going to choose one dance on the three folk dances that we have tackled and execute it in front. So these are the activity. But before we proceed to our activity, meron ako yung papakita na video sa inyo na gawin nyo mamaya sa activity niyo. Okay. So that is binasuan dance. Okay, next. Okay, next, the maglalatik. Okay. So, di ba na-divide na kayo sa into 3 groups. So, you're going to choose one dance on the 3 folk dances that I played with kanina. No? So, and execute it on in front. So, I will give you 20 minutes to prepare. So, here's the group activity criteria. So, okay. Excellent 4, good 3, satisfactory 2, and excellent 1. So, okay. As if na no. So, since you are good in our group activities, so let's have a quiz. So get 1/4 sheet of paper and answer the following question. Yes?
Multiple choice, sir.
No, it's an analysis. Okay, so okay, answer na kayo, class.
Tapos na, sir. Tapos na, sir.
Okay,
Dancer.
pass in front. Okay, thank you. So, since you are good in our quiz, most of you got the correct answer. I have an assignment. So, in a 1/2 sheet of paper, list down at least 5 Philippine folk dance. So, the deadline of this will be on June 13, 2024. So, may natutunan ba kayo?
Yes, sir!
Okay, so please stand up. Okay. Goodbye, class.
Bye, sir!
Okay, thank you for your cooperation and see you next week.
Thank you, sir. Last shot.
Last time.
Okay!